Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold maintains record rally following Trump's criticism of Fed chief. Gold hits fresh record. Gold climbs to record peak as slowdown concerns lift safe haven demand. And my dear friends, this is our crazy gold. Gold is almost trading around 3500. Just around an hour ago, gold made a high of 3495 and right now trading around 348081 area, and gold is super bullish. Those who have been on buy position, because many of you have shared screenshots, message me that you have been holding buy. I believe that you made unbelievable profits. Congratulations. And many of you are also holding sell position. So my dear friend, you have taken a bad call by taking a sell position in this bullish market. Please try to exit at retracement. Obviously gold will come down at one point, but the problem is that nobody knows when it will come down. Gold may come down from 3700, gold may come down from 4011. Nobody knows. Till then, only way to survive in the market is to follow the trend of the market. If you take a sell position hoping for a reversal, it is a very bad call, because still we do not have any indication about a trend reversal. For example, during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, check the news immediately. If you see any news is there, then you can take a sell position. But if you see that there is no news but still gold is coming down, it means that it's a correction. Corrections are important for proper functioning of the market, for demand and supply. So obviously a correction is due here. Gold has went up sharply. Without proper correction, a correction will come. But when it will come, nobody knows. Till then, follow the trend of the market. That is the only solution. So again, I'm repeating, those who have been holding buy on gold right now, hold your buy position, because gold is super bullish. We have seen the market sentiment also. Okay, there is no indication of trend reversal yet. Okay, and those who are looking for fresh position in the market, you know what to do here, because we have been following the same strategy for last couple of months. Okay, it's the buy at dip or buy at retracement. If market doesn't come for retracement, buy at breakout. That's it. And my dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to show you something, that there are many scams going on in my name on Telegram. Please stay away from these scams. For example, you can see there's a group named The Trader Next Door. This is not my group. Okay, they are just scamming people. If you can also see another group with 5,000 members, okay, they are scamming people in my name. So stay away from these groups. Yes, I have a official group where I post updates analysis. Okay, the link you will find in the description. Okay, and you can see the name is the Trader Next Door Academy. That's it, and rest of the groups are all scam. Okay, all scam. Please be careful. And this guy, okay, I don't know who is this guy. I'm unable to report also. Okay. This guy, they're trading at me. He opens new groups in my name always. And I don't know how to report also. Anyways, please be careful, stay away from scams, because they are showing some stupid screenshots. Those are not practical. Okay, please be careful. Okay, let's talk about gold now. So buy a dip or buy a retracement is the best trading strategy. So where is the best level? So here 3433 seems to be a very good level where we can look for a buy position. Okay, then we can also look for a buy around 3440. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy position if market comes down for retracement. We are considering 344041 area because of previous resistance will be working as support, plus we have the 50 moving average. We are considering 3440 because of previous resistance working as support, because we have seen on gold for the last couple of months that price action is doing a fantastic job. Okay, so these are the two levels, two reliable levels where we can look for a buy position if gold comes down for a retracement. And if you see the selling price is not very high, you can also look for a buy around 3455 3450 area. minor resistance, but 3450 is a round number psychological level. So as a day trader, we can also look for a bounce around this area. And if you are looking for immediate levels, then we have an immediate level around 3475 area, but I'm not sure whether it will be working as a good level or not. 3475, 3470, because of FIBO here. Obviously this is not a very good level, but still market is so bullish, we have very limited options. But otherwise 3455, 3450 is a good level to buy. 3440, 3430, these are good levels where you can look for a buy if market comes down for retracement, because gold is standing at super high right now. A correction is due, but the problem is nobody knows from where the market will come down. Okay, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously buy at breakout is the next strategy. But here the things are a little bit complicated, because usually what do we do when market breaks the previous high? Okay, when market breaks the previous high, we buy, isn't it? But here, okay, let the market break 3500. If market breaks 3500, then we can expect that a fresh high is coming. The breakout will continue. Okay, then we can look for a buy above 3500 as well. Okay, and obviously if market breaks 3500, okay, market will be heading towards 3600, 3700, because sky is the limit. Okay, sky is the limit here. And obviously not much to say, I'm speechless. And obviously, my dear friends, as I always say, before a breakout, always look for some consolidation, because consolidation are very important for any successful breakout. Right now we can see the market is showing signs of consolidation. It is a good sign. If the same consolidation continues for another 1 or 2 hours, then a breakout may come and it will be a good one. If the breakout comes, you can look for a buy above 3500. If you want, you can also look for a buy above 3495 also, but above 3500, okay, it should be a clean one. Anyways, be careful, because right now gold is trading at such a level. Buying is also risky, selling is also risky. Okay, because market is just standing a record high. And as I said earlier also, corrections, retracements are very important, and gold has not shown any proper correction yet. We need a correction right now, then market functioning will be normal again. We can look for normal buy and sell again. But as of now, things are a little bit dangerous. Be careful and do not go for big lot sizes, because many of you may be greedy enough and think that, okay, let's jump and make some quick money. And sometimes we lose our capital, okay, while trying for some quick money. So be careful, do not gamble. Okay, because already market has given a huge move, considerable move. So, okay, it's time for gold to come down. But nobody knows when it will come down. So till then, let's follow the trend of the market. Okay, and as I said earlier also, okay, buying at retracement, buying at dip is still the best running strategy here. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And if any drastic change come to the market, then obviously I will be updating in the Telegram community. So please feel free to join the Telegram community. The link will be in the description. Do not join those scams. Okay, bye bye.